Okay.
Okay, let's go this way, right?
No, we're going the other way.
Explore that way?
I thought so.
Okay.
We've been down that way,
Alright.
but we've never been down here.
Yeah, let's go. That's what I thought.
We've never been down here. We never even made it to that tree line.
Alright.
So,
Take a look at this.
yeah.
The tree. Hey, there's monkey pods.
Is it?
Yeah, see, look, little pods.
Hmm.
Probably down here too.
Hmm.
Round little pods. Do you want to eat tonight?
I can make hamburgers.
Okay. Cheeseburger service. Burger service.
Can I walk on the other side?
Oh, sure. Oh, look, it's a bat sign.
Yeah.
There must be bats over here. So look.
Well, I think there are little homes for them. There are little slots up in there that they nest in, I think, in between those boards.
There must have been bats in here or they wouldn't have that.
Yeah.
Bat home.
An alternative to nesting under the bridge or something. They're little bitty bats.
Well, it's overcast today, but you know, still need a little bit of exercise.
It rained a little bit. Not enough to make, tenth of an inch maybe.
I've got an umbrella if it's gonna rain. A little one. Okay. Hey, they put a little chair in there now, bench.
Yeah.
That's good. There's benches in here now, so I guess there's lots of people here walking around and need to rest at times.
I think last time we were here, we walked down to that third bench, and that's where we turned around, if I'm not mistaken.
It was kind of hot. It was summertime.
Yeah, it was really hot.
Now it's winter time. It's good.
The Rio Grande is running dry up here.
True. Dry.
It's nothing.
I think it goes underground. You want to go through the clearing and take a look?
Nah,
No.
we'll go further down. Feels good to get out.
Yeah.
Look at
Now
them.
in Ohio, what's the weather like? I'm sure what you remembered.
Cold enough to make the ponds freeze over. You'd be ice skating right now. You like to ice skate?
No. I had to ice skate. Well, you have to go, see in LA, you have to go in the rink. You have to pay to rent your skates too. Yeah, I've ice skated. It's okay. But it's probably more fun for you because it's a natural pond, you know? You've got nature in there skating around, but if you just go round and round, like LA, I don't think it's fun. I hear a mourning dove.
Yeah.
White one?
Yeah.
White one?
Boy.
Everything's kind of big right now. Sightings too.
Look at the mountains
Oh,
with
look. Let me see if
the
I
with the clouds.
let me see if I can catch that dove there. Nope, flew away.
See the mountains, the clouds.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's low.
Yeah.
It could
Some of the clouds are low. Most of them are above.
it could snow if it has enough precipitation. If it rains a little bit. I finished the video for my channel.
You did?
Yeah, for my hobby channel.
It's a lot of work on Movie Maker.
True. But you did it. It was under 20.
I thought your leg hurt.
You did?
Ah, you're outpacing me.
What's that?
You're outpacing me.
Oh, sorry. It's good exercise being able to walk around.
Yeah.
Stretch it up. There's 2 cats inside. I'd say Brownie really like to stay in, huh?
Yeah.
Happy.
Yeah.
Like the blankets that you have. She commandeered your lap blanket.
Yeah.
You had to get another blanket. There's another blanket up there too if you get cold tonight, if you want some more blankets.
I'm just glad to be alive, able to walk a little bit.
Understand.
Have you seen that building? I haven't.
That building
The one's got a dome on it.
looks like a house to me.
Well, it's a big one.
It's a big house. Some houses
Big house.
here are really big. Some houses here are mansions, you know.
Yeah.
Probably people who are moving from places like LA, you know. And they, as you know, in terms of tax deduction and how much you pay for taxes, if you buy a home equal to, they don't tax you.
Of course, you'll never be able to sell it. No
That
one
might
in
be a
the.
problem. You know, some folks are thinking they can reverse mortgage their homes, but I don't know if the banks will accept those houses. You know, look, there's a cat over there.
Yeah, it's a black cat.
Like that was too fast. We didn't catch it. Okay. Well, I hear a
Rooster.
crowing of roosters. There must be some kind of chicken farm or something to have chicken nearby, huh?
Those,
The chicken now, you can have chickens in the city, but you have to pay $6, huh? For 6, I think you have a maximum of 6 chickens that you can keep. You gotta get a license for $6. I don't know if they've raised it up now.
I couldn't hurt the chicken after I raised it.
Well, I think it's more for eggs.
Yeah.
You raise it for eggs, you know. But there's a time when they can no longer lay. It's like my father's chicken, you know, they're pets. They're too old to lay eggs, but they're still there.
Yeah.
They got names, so they're not gonna get butchered. They just kill over old age. I hear chickens. Sounds like a chicken farm to me. Does it sound to you like a chicken farm?
Yeah.
Like it's more than one chicken?
Yeah, I think you're right.
Look at this plant here. It's kind of pretty. Even though it's kind of lost a lot of its leaves. It's still kind of pretty. Golden
Yeah.
color.
Now this weather would be typical in Ohio.
Oh, it is typical.
You get a lot of overcast days. Can remember these kind of days. If you don't like the weather, you just wait a little bit. It'll change.
You have change of the weather seasons. Well, we know that our Veggie Boys channel, it must be really cold in Pennsylvania because their eggs are freezing.
Yeah.
Frozen eggs, it said. Well, you know, you can freeze eggs, but not sold frozen.
I don't think, won't it crack the shell?
Yeah, I don't know.
Bet
I
it
have
will.
frozen eggs in our refrigerator, but they're scrambled.
Yeah.
They're scrambled eggs and put into containers. That's it. If the stores run out of eggs, there's something to use in there. There's a clearing. You can show the Rio Grande from here.
Yeah.
You can show how barren it is. The Rio Grande in this side has no water whatsoever. It's just dry. I think it goes under. Okay. Take a look. But the sand's kind of wet, so it goes underneath.
Hmm.
Just dry.
It doesn't look wet, the sand. It looks bone dry.
It does?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, there's some islands out there.
Hmm.
I'm not sure if there's water. It's just good to see it.
I'm going to slow my pace down because my hip's giving me issues.
All right. What I was thinking is, do you think I should pull out the snow boots out? And then I'll box your snow boots and mine.
My personal opinion,
Uh-huh.
there'll be no snow.
No snow. Okay. Well, doesn't seem to be wet. Precipitation might
yeah.
not be, you know.
I just
Here,
don't think it will.
no
I don't
snow.
think it's going to snow or rain. I think this is it right here.
Look, there's some ducks in there. Let me see if I can catch those. There's ducks up there.
There's some people walking down the trail. Yep.
I don't know where the ducks are going. Maybe in the Las Cruces City Farm? I bet there's more ducks up there in the farm or not.
Well, if I was a duck, I wouldn't come here. There's no water.
Well, the city pond has a duck pond. If you want to walk there sometime, I would. I've got some bread heels that we could give to the ducks.
Yeah.
Old ducks, old bread.
Hi.
Hi. We can do old bread. We got the old bread. But anyways. Did you want your gloves? I didn't.
Nah, I'm
You know,
fine.
take it out. It's in the other bag. I have some gloves in my pocket, but it wouldn't fit you. Or not in my pocket, but in my backpack. But,
They're all wearing brand new shoes.
oh yeah. Shoes are important for walking.
They sound soft, grippy.
I think shoes are good for walking around. If you're gonna invest in shoes, get some good shoes.
I wonder why people walk this part of the trail. Because it seems prettier on the other side, the other end.
Your home, so I'd be up there. Gotcha. See, the ducks are aiming to go that way. I see ducks flying around. I see them ducks up here. I don't know where they're going.
Yeah, I don't know.
Ducks are going someplace
Yeah.
out there. There's water someplace that the ducks are going to. There's even a whole flock over there that I see. Right over here. Coming up. Must be water over there. You see them?
Yeah, I see him.
Okay. Let me see if I can catch them. I'm not sure where the ducks are going. There's gonna be some water out there for them to go to. What's up there, Tim? A park with water?
No. It's towards our home.
It's probably in the pond. If it's towards our home, go into the pond. City pond.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Are you cold?
Huh?
Are you cold?
No, I'm not cold.
Is the jacket warm enough for you?
Yeah.
I bought that last year. It's quilted inside. It's a coat jacket. Hang on a second, check. I'm going to check my bag here for gloves. I might have some gloves for myself. Let me see, I do. Believe this, I'm ready for this weather. I got some crackers too if you like some.
Nah. I'm good.
See, look, I've got gloves. How's that? How's
bring-
that for preparedness, huh?
Did you bring my gloves?
No, I did not.
Oh, it's okay.
I did ask you if you wanted to wear gloves, and you said no.
Yeah.
Do
I
you
always say
remember?
that.
Huh?
I think I'm a tough guy.
But it's a snow glove, though, not a knit
Right.
glove like this. Maybe
Yeah.
that's why you said no. Should we get you knit gloves?
It's not cold enough out here long enough to matter.
Well, I get cold. That's we're going to the chili drop. You sure you don't want gloves? Oh, you can put it in your pocket there so you gotta get a free hand. See if you fit on these gloves. Oh, look, there's a bird over there. You want me to take that bird? Shoot the bird?
You don't have to.
Let me see.
It's just a lonely little bird.
It's just a lonely little bird.
Lonely little bird sitting in a tree.
Poor little cold bird.
Yeah.
It looks like a sparrow.
Well, that bridge up ahead, way up ahead where the freeway is, that's probably where the water comes out.
Okay. Well, you know, that's where the ducks are. That's also where the crow's nest on the other side.
Yeah. I didn't expect this to be an exciting walk. And you know what? It doesn't disappoint.
It's okay.
It's exactly like what I thought it'd be.
It just shows the landscape, you know, how winter, everything sleeps.
No, they haven't tried here. They haven't put in any cottonwoods or anything. It just quit, you know. It's a path, and there's the riverbed. No cottonwood trees.
Maybe there's no water at all, you know.
Yeah.
There's no water, so there's no wildlife. People aren't really expected to be here, except for the joggers who live in this area. They're jogging. You know, those campers that camp in the snow, these guys are tough. Cool, you know.
It takes a special camper for that. We had one.
No, I'm talking about the tenters.
Oh, yeah. Nah, no thanks. Not for me.
The tenters, you know, the hikers. Party
Yeah.
hikers, tenters. The party bunch.
Feels like the wind's coming out of the south, doesn't it?
Yeah,
I mean, like we're walking into the wind right now.
we sure are. Right here. Look at that. No water river.
Totally. Not even a trickle stream.
This is a far walk for people not seeing the water if the river is not flowing.
Yeah.
I guess it's just a walk to walk.
Hmm.
If you go into
Noisy
the
ducks.
slopes, those are the ducks. Those are ducks. Let me see if I can catch it. So weird ducks going around. Where they going? You hear them. They're noisy. I caught them on the... Where do you think they're going?
I don't know.
Flying up. There's a biker and a jogger behind you, so you might want to stay ahead of me or behind me.
I'll stay behind.
Stay the fence. Are those pecan groves over there?
Yeah.
Maybe that's where the ducks go.
You see that sign over there? Looks like it's got red and green on it.
Yeah.
That's that Pilot gas station
Oh,
over there by the tax assessor.
yeah. Where do you think those ducks are going to?
I don't know. Deming. Yeah, that's where they're heading. Going towards Deming.
Is there any water in Deming?
Not that I'm aware of.
Deming had a ponds of water.
Deming duck race.
Duck
Maybe they're wet lake for the Deming duck race.
Well, it's just, you know, they have a duck race, but, you know, I don't remember Deming having ponds anywhere.
Best thing for you guys, you're going to the Deming duck race.
We have a city pond here to have ducks. We can go there late tomorrow.
Yeah.
Feed the ducks if you like.
I know one thing for sure.
Oh, what's
I
that?
won't be taking this path again.
Oh, you won't? Okay. It's not much.
This is a one-time only.
Well, you were curious about.
Yeah, I was curious.
Does this path lead to the bench over there?
All the way.
All the way.
All the way.
Let me see if I can get
Goes
some
underneath
birds.
the freeway all the way over to where we start walking in Old Mesilla.
Let me see if I can get some birds here. There's ducks actually that I see flying, so there's going someplace where there's water. Come on, okay. I saw a solo duck flying over here. It's too fast. Let me just take off my gloves here. I see the birds over there. See? They look like just little birds. An interesting bird. It's got blues on it. The bluebird. It's blue at the top with a white belly. Bird I'm not so familiar with. Interesting.
blue on the top with a white belly.
Blue and black. I think his feathers are blue and black, and he's got a white belly. Okay. I don't know what kind of birds they are. There might be a desert. I think it's a desert cardinal.
Really? Did it have red under its wing?
No, it's blue, but it's the head part. You can see it later when you are processing this.
Yeah.
If it looked to me like a blue cardinal of some sort. It's got the tip.
A
of the
river cardinal.
I'm sorry, babe?
Must be a river cardinal.
I don't know. It looks like it has the silhouette of a cardinal, but it's not red, blue, and it doesn't have the red wing on it. So I figure that maybe it's the desert cardinal, and it doesn't take its colors until the summertime. What do you say?
Yeah.
Cold in his shorts.
Yeah, really.
He's a hardy boy. Definitely hardy. Are these pecans? I think they are pecan groves.
Yeah, they are. They're pecans. You don't want to walk to the freeway, do you?
No, we don't have to.
Huh?
We can turn around.
Yeah,
Is
that's
there a
what
bench there? Looks like there is.
I don't know. I don't need to sit down.
Okay, you want to turn around here?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay.
I noticed the trees are starting to show up. Some trees. Probably on their own. I bet they weren't planted. But this goes over to that freeway. And where that freeway is where the water starts to come out.
Do you
If
want
you-
to see where the water comes from?
Well, we've been there. You can take the road and drive it down. And you get to that area. It's got all the graffiti under the bridge.
Oh, yeah,
You remember
yeah, I
that?
see. Yeah.
So
It's not there.
it's not
Oh,
worth
we
it.
saw what we needed to see. You wanted to see where it takes you.
All right.